you so much. So this is like probably I think the third time we are participating. And every time we started with 36 square meters, and now we are at 72 square meters. So we are doing great with CMPL. So just a simple thing. So if you say we just meet our customers whom we cannot meet regularly. Here, at least we met more for the 3 days. We meet more than 400 to 500 of our existing and the new customers. So that's a new thing. That's actually the thing which keeps us ahead of the competition. So I would rather say co-creating with we co-create with brands, we co-create with everyone. So like we are not someone for a brand to just as a manufacturer. We always say we are partner with them. So as a partner, we take the liability of everything. CMPL is a platform where we get to learn many things. We have many customers who are coming up with a new idea. So at the new ideas we can. Through this new ideas we can just explore our R&D also. So through CMP it's a great platform to be in. So it's been a great experience. First of all, we were a bit skeptical, due to the rain, the July season, how would be the footfall. But seeing the today's footfall now, we are very much happy, and seeing like we feel tomorrow might be a better day than this, but today was excellent.